Jennifer, you were just so knowledgeable with your pet care for looking after Harry. So I don't know if you remember what you said for him, but I've got some of the herbs that we talked about, and I'll let you talk about the silver hydrosol thing, but I'm going to talk about the infused tea. And here's a clue. Anybody know if anybody knows what these are calendula flowers. And I actually managed to get all the things to put in his tea I actually had in my garden, or I'd taken a harvest from last year, so they were fresh from my garden and I just had them stored. So we made up we also made up we had a mullein tincture, and this is what a mullein leaf looks like, for anybody that doesn't know. And it's
Wow.
hairy. It's kind of
Hmm.
hairy on that side, and it's actually hairy a bit on the back as well. So I just got this from the garden, and it's pretty hot, so it's a little floppy. But you would crush that up to make the tincture for it, and then it would be infused. And this is it's the one I made earlier.